These are the top 6 VST plugins that you can actually use to make any beat that you want to create in 2025. I'm gonna walk you through right after the intro. Guys, we are in FL Studio now, and I must be honest with you guys. If you want to take your beat making to the next level, then you have to invest into expensive plugins. But if you don't have the money now, these are the VST plugins that I will tell you to start using them as a beginner. Alright, so the very first VST plugin on my list is the Flex. Guys, Flex is amazing VST plugin, and you can actually use Flex to make a lot of beats. Alright, any genre that you want. Alright, so when you come here, you can feel the tones. Alright, there are a lot of tones from Flex that you can use. Acoustic piano, these are all tones from Flex. I'm not gonna waste my time here, guys. Listen. Afrobeat, and Flex is a free plugin from FL Studio. You can actually use that. Look at the 808. Crazy, guys. I have a full video that I take you through the best tones in Flex that you can use to make Afrobeat. Watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Moving on to the next plugin is the Morphin. Guys, Morphin comes with a lot of pads, keyboards, strings, leads, brass, and so on, guys. So if you are making Afrobeat and you are looking for simple VST plugin, you can actually use the default stock plugin from FL Studio. Guys, you've heard the difference. These are some of the strings. Let's check some of the leads. Some of the brass. Check this flute. Check the trumpet. Alright, so you can check some of the choir vox. And check some of the bass. Crazy, guys. Just start with the stock plugin. Feel the bass. Comes with some of the percussions and some of the effects. Alright, moving on to the next VST plugin on my list is the Hive. Guys, Hive is also crazy, and this is not a default plugin. So now let's check some of the tones. Crazy Afrobeat, guys. So Hive got a lot of tones, guys. We can't walk through, check all this. Alright, you can actually search and you get whatever that you like. Alright, these are all tones. What do you want that you will never get from Hive 2? I wish I've connected my MIDI keyboard so that I can play the tones well for you. So next on my list is the BooBass. All right, this is a stock plugin. So if you want to create any bass, all you have to do is to use the BooBass. You can drag this, all right, to get more of the bass. Play with the treble, the mid knob. So moving on to the next on my list, which is also one of my favorite plugins, is the Hypersonic VST. So you have acoustic pianos, a lot of them from Hypersonic. Then you can also get electric pianos, guys, watch here, a lot of them. All right, then you can get mallet, marimba, saxophones. There are a lot. All right, Hypersonic is crazy. If you have been watching my videos, you know I love Hypersonic. Marimba combined with kalimba, crazy. It comes with strings. There are a lot of things that you can get from Hypersonic. You can get orchestra, vocal, brass, saxophones, the flute, everything is in Hypersonic. Piccolo. Moving on to the next on my list, which is also one of my favorite, is the Arcade VST plugin. So Arcade will give you a lot of sound, vocal sounds. All right, so let's check this one, and guys, watch here, listen. Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? And you can actually change the key directly from here to suit your beat. All right, Arcade is serious. Let's check some of them. All right, check this one. It's super dope. Guys, so if you are looking for the best VST plugins that you can actually use in 2025, then I will tell you to go for this 6 VST plugins and you will never regret. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, stay blessed.